Hi and welcome to another edition of A Minute Mad. This is your guy, this is Aya here from Madlove. The word for today is words, right? It's important that we look at this word because especially in this day and age, especially we young people, we're often quite reckless with the type of words that we speak to ourselves. You see, the reason why we're emphasizing this is because words are important. The words that you speak to yourself on a daily basis, listen, the conversations that you have with yourself are literally determining the manner of person that you are today, or the manner of person that you will become tomorrow. You see, words carry life. When we say words carry life, we mean that your words dictate your future. If you experience success or you experience failure, I can trace this back all the way down to the words that you speak to yourself, right? And because life is in the words that you speak. And the same way you can speak life or positive or great things into your life, you can also speak death by speaking negative words. Now, because every single word that you speak becomes a seed that you sow into your future, and that's why it's important for you to be mindful of the manner of words, the type of words that you're speaking to yourself on a daily basis, especially when things don't particularly go the way that you want it to go, or you experience some sort of a challenge. Be mindful of the words that you're speaking to yourself. Some people, because of probably false humility, they cost themselves out. They say things like, well, I can't do this, or I'm useless at this, or I'm really bad at this, or I can never get this right. Now, have you ever asked yourself, why do you say these things? That's probably because you have conditioned your mind to automatically think this way. And in the same way you do that, you can also recondition your mind to start thinking positively. And when you think positively, you speak positively. And the more positive words you start to speak to yourselves, especially in the times when things aren't really going too well for you, this will determine the results that you will experience in the future. To cut a long story short, speak positive words to yourself on a daily basis, and eventually you will start to see great things happen in your life. This is Ayo signing out. Have a good day. Bye bye.